Hey everybody, it's Miss Creeves. So I am on here today because I'm getting lots and lots of questions asking, where is the unit quiz? I can't find it. I can't find it. Where is it? And it says it's due today. Where is it? So here's a little secret for you. I'm going to show you the back room. Are you ready? I'm going to take you to the back room. So I'm going to go up to content. This is my page. So this is all the stuff I see as a teacher. There's a lot of stuff in here. First of all, you will see on your page, everybody should see this right now. It says how to complete your topics within lesson 1.1. We should have been watching that, and we should be in the 1.1 begin here lesson link. By now, there are still a lot of people who have not finished this. You need to make sure that your unit map has all check marks. If I'm this person here, which I'm the teacher and I haven't done all this stuff, I shouldn't be doing anything else until that's done. This is where I should be until all of these have check marks. Check marks that are just an outline of green are okay, but everything in the unit map should have check marks. Okay, so once again, 1.1, unit map, all of this should have check marks. If not, stay there. Don't go anyplace else. I want you to finish that first. Okay, so back to the unit 1. So we finished that. So now, tutor simulation. You all have to complete this. This is a grade. You'll see it on your grades. So you have to go to tutor sim. Explaining the tutor sim is right here. It tells you all what it's about. And the tutor sim, you have to go through this whole thing. I'm not quite sure how long it takes, maybe 20 minutes or so. All these will get yellow. You'll answer the questions and you'll hit continue. You do want to try your best because it does come across as a grade for you. So those things should be done. Then we keep going down. Okay, so we finished all that. Now here's 1.3. Mind you, this stuff won't show up until you've done this other stuff. So look what happens. So do you see how this says right here, visits the content 1.2 tutor sim shopping for office supplies? That means that this Dropbox is not going to show up on your page unless you have finished the tutor sim. So it's kind of a tricky thing that I do so that I force you to finish something before you move on to the next thing because I don't want you to forget to do anything. So once you finish the tutor sim, this order of operations Dropbox will pop up. You will see the order of operations information, how to take a picture of it. You will add your work to it, your add your attachments, and then once you post to that order of operations Dropbox, once you turn something in, then the review Dropbox will show up. Because look, it says you can't open it until you submit to the order of operations Dropbox. So if you haven't turned in your order of operations Dropbox, the review worksheet will not show up. Same here, you're going to do the review worksheet, you're going to turn it into the Dropbox, and once you turn the review sheet and the order of operations into the Dropboxes, then the quiz will show up. It is designed to make sure that you have already done these two things because you need to do those before you should be doing the quiz so that you can get some feedback. So that's where it is. You have to finish the order of operations worksheet and put it into the Dropbox. You can't email it to me. That's not the same. It won't work. And you have to finish the review worksheet and put it in the review worksheet Dropbox. Otherwise, I won't get it. So you have to do that in order to get the numbers quiz to open up. So if you email me and say, where is it? I'm going to send you this video. So you should have everything understood then. Once you have finished the whole numbers quiz, then Unit 2, voila, Unit 2 up here will pop up. So notice it has information up here completing the whole numbers quiz. So lesson 2.1, we do that all over again. All right, well, I hope that explains everything. Let's try and get stuff wrapped up. If you are behind on any of this information, I want you to start at the top and slowly work your way down. This lesson 1.1, all the stuff in the unit map is your first priority. Then doing the tutor sim, then the order of operations, then the review sheet, then the quiz, okay? All right, thanks you guys. Have a great weekend.